In this video, we're going to talk about MUX Protocol, MUX Network, a decentralized exchange that's offering up to 100x leverage available on multiple chains and providing aggregated liquidity, which means it's coming also from GMX, gains, and a bunch of other sources, which is really cool. So let's have a look at the website itself. As you can see, they're talking also about zero price impact. So the price impact will be always zero. This is thanks also to this aggregated liquidity, up to 100x, self-custody, multi-chain native, and lightning fast. Really cool website as well, and really top-notch bakers that you will see in a moment. You can see that, for example, Delphi Digital, Binance Labs, Multicoin Capital, and a bunch of other well-known players within the DeFi ecosystem are backing MUX Protocol, MUX Network here. So it's really interesting. You can start trading right away. You can launch just MUX and connect your wallet to get started. As you can see, this is how it looks inside. So like a standard exchange, but everything here is decentralized. Cool stuff is that you have a multiple mainnets already: Arbitrum, BNB chain, Optimism, Avalanche, Phantom, and 2 testnets on Polygon and Scroll. If you want to get started on testnet, just test how it is trading. Apart from that, you have here multiple markets to choose from, basically 46 crypto assets, and you can go after most of the major coins here and have perps on them, but also you have like forex. You can trade on different forex pairs, different stocks as well, like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and a bunch of others, which is pretty cool because you're doing everything on chain here. So you have plenty of choice. When it comes to positions, it's really 100x. As you can see, I have already opened 75x position on ARP. So for example, if I want to close it, I just click on close, and I will have to confirm everything with the market price. Right, so closing is simple, opening is simple as well. I can use market orders, limit orders if I have like a price that I have in mind, or stop market if I want to wait for a market to get to the certain price and then execute the order. I'm doing market orders here both for buying and selling. So selling means shorting. You can short betting on something going down, and it's super simple. I can just put like $20 here's USDC, do 100x, or maybe I can use the leverage here if I want to change it. I can add take profit, stop loss if I want to, and I can, for example, long, and everything will be covered here. So as you can see, this is the combined leverage because I already have a 75x position. So with doing 100x on $20 will get me to 85x in total. So this will be the combined size of what I'm trading on ARP here, and also I will pay 1.5 in fees, and this will be my new position. So if I confirm long ARP here, I will get a MetaMask confirmation to do that, and the position will be up. So that's basically it. It's super easy to start trading. Of course, only start trading if you know what you're doing, because it's super risky, especially on this kind of leverage. With MUX, it's not everything. Apart from, of course, trading, you have a bunch of other choices as well. So you can look at liquidity, you can look at the different tokens you have in the ecosystem and see when the liquidity is coming from. You can stake, so there's the whole ecosystem of staking. Actually, MUX has a bunch of coins available, so you can go to tokenomics, and you can see that there are 4 tokens in total: MCB, MUX, and VMUX, MUX LP. Basically, the first one is the main one, MCB. MUX is the token for rewards, and then the other 2 are either governance or liquidity. So you can see that here. MCB, the protocol's main token, user can lock MCB to receive VMUX, which entitles them to protocol income and MUX rewards. Now, this is everything here. Everything is, I guess, on Arbitrum, if I read it correctly. Actually, it's on multi-chain. Now, for the MUX, this is a non-transferable reward token. You can earn MUX through holding VMUX or staking MUX LP. And then you have VMUX, which is governance token, right? And MUX LP, which is liquidity provider token. So you have those 4 tokens. If you want to read the docs, I'll provide the link down below in the description if you want to read more about how MUX work or how those particular tokens work in the ecosystem. So this is it about staking. You have a bunch of farms here that you can use. You can add your own stake. Also cool stuff is you have leaderboard. There's currently a contest going on. You can see what people are doing. For example, there's a bunch of tires here. You can see all participants, how they're doing, but also you can see chat tire based on the size. And yeah, so some of them are winning, even massively, but some of them are losing. There's someone who lost actually $1 million here, which is pretty massive. There's a bunch of tires as well. So if you're feeling like taking part in the contest, that might be a good time to start. So there was one contest ending on June the 2nd, but there are new contests available and coming along the way as well. So this is for staking. You have a bunch of things to be staked here. You can also redeem your tokens if you want to, have a bunch of statistics on Dune, on MUX stats dashboard, and there's the whole ecosystem as well for the governments. You can see what they use for everything, which is pretty cool. So generally speaking, really like what I'm seeing here with MUX. It's really interesting protocol with a bunch of potential. They have their own tokens, as you can see. They're doing a lot of things which are super interesting, especially from the trader's perspective. It's 100x leverage, aggregated liquidity as well. That's a super feature. And there's a bunch of things related to, for example, multi-chain that's also are pretty cool. So if you like it, follow the link down below in the description. This will be a referral link that will give you additional bonus on trading fees. I think up to 5% if you use it, connecting your wallet. So I think that's a win-win scenario here. Of course, be careful out there. Trading is risky, so make sure you know what you're doing. That's my final piece of advice here. And of course, for everything else, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.